Homeowners are disinterested in shoveling snow, salting ice, or paying for winter removal. It's hazardous and it's expensive. The alternative is an efficient, eco-friendly heating system for walkways, driveways, and patios. Walkways give you safe entrance for family and friends into the home. The driveway, a clear, dry, welcome home feeling. And patios, access to kitchens and fire pits. Installation of pre-spaced mats and sectioned coverage. Alliance Designer Products Gator Base and ProLine heating mats are a perfect complement to each other, insulating and radiating. We began with a number 8 stone layer. On top, our Gator Base. We put in 1/2 to 1 inch of number 8 stone that's 1/4 inch clean. Then we have our ProLine mats with a sod staple on the tape, tensioning them correctly. Another 1/2 inch to 1 inch of number 8 stone, and then the Hexa Pavers and Avignon Edge by Techo-Bloc. Our electrical subcontractor is already on site for our outlet needs. They're gonna run the aerial snow switch on the roof, will pick up moisture and temperature in the environment and turn the system on. They'll also hardwire our system to the panel. The system will cut on in advance of snow events, meaning no accumulation, which means no runoff and a dry pavement. Our home value just went up. Our year-round enjoyment, up. And our temperature just went way up.